Thanks, Antonia. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, has confirmed the killing of 12 civilians at the hands of the security forces in the last 6 days. The Easter period has been particularly bloody, accounting for 10 of the deaths. Details in this report from Kirk Wright.
Not one or two, but 3 triple fatal shooting incidents involving the police in 3 days in St. Catherine and Westmoreland. Add 3 other shooting incidents, and what you have is a very busy and bloody start to April for the police and INDECOM investigators. The INDECOM Commissioner, Hugh Faulkner, is worried.
As with any single fatal shooting incident, INDECOM views with concern the fatal shooting numbers involving the security forces over the past week. At Monday, April 6, 2026, 12 persons have been shot and killed for the current month so far in incidents involving the law enforcement officers.
The Easter period has been particularly bloody. In the most recent incident on Easter Sunday, 2 brothers were among 3 men killed in Marchpen, Spanish Town, in a reported confrontation with the police. The bloody Easter period started on Good Friday, with 3 men being killed in a confrontation with the police in Sheffield, Westmoreland. 3 stolen goats in the car with the alleged gunmen at the time were also killed in the hail of bullets. Those incidents sandwiched another triple shooting in Browns Hall district in St. Catherine and the killing of a reputed gang leader along Lincoln Alley, Kingston 13, both on Saturday. The shootings continue. What's been a bloody start to 2026 involving the security forces?
Since January 1, 2026, a total of 88 civilians have met their demise in reported confrontation with the security forces. 3 incidents of triple fatal shootings over the past 96 hours are being investigated by INDECOM operational teams, including investigators and forensic personnel.
Mr. Faulkner has also confirmed a probe is ongoing in the case involving a police officer and an elderly man in Tawes Pen, Spanish Town. A video of the incident has gone viral and shows the policeman repeatedly hitting the 82-year-old man.
The Commission is also investigating a case of alleged assault occasioning actual bodily harm involving the security forces and a senior citizen. INDECOM investigations are pursued to conclusion, notwithstanding any action taken by law enforcement. Between January 1, 2024 and December 31, 2025, of the 57 cases of law enforcement personnel ruled for charge, 9 cases have been for assault occasioning bodily harm.
The 88 civilians shot and killed so far in 2026 by the security forces is 1 higher than the 87 persons shot and killed at the same stage in 2025. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
Thanks, Kirk. Now, still to come this evening, Champs athlete brings hope to Cumberland High School in St. Catherine. We'll be right back.